pretty recent mound here in this alfalfa field. You can see right there's the plug. Under there's where we'll find the tunnel. There was a toad in there. Kind of scared me when he hopped out. Yeah, the tunnel's right there. Just use the trowel to remove the plug. And then this probe and tunnel cleaning tool is so handy. It allows me to not only clean the rest of the loose dirt out, but to also feel what the tunnel is doing so that I can place the trap properly in the tunnel. That tunnel goes down and makes a Y at about 14 or 18 inches. Plenty of room to get a trap in there. Now I'll just use a little bit of this dry hay from the last cutting as my plug material. Cover it back up with dirt. And that one's done. Nothing here. So the Gopher plugged this off. Let's see what we got going here. So it goes down and makes a T. I'm going to clear out what he plugged up. So what I do in these situations where a Gopher has plugged it off but not got caught, you need to change something about your set. And usually the first change that I make is to put the trap a little deeper into the tunnel than it was before. And the reasoning behind that is that that Gopher most likely remembers exactly where that trap was. So when he comes back to attempt to plug it up a second time, the trap is not where he remembers it being and gives us a pretty decent chance at getting it caught. This was one that we missed yesterday and we reset. Let's see if we caught him today. Feels kind of promising.